2024 BMW X4. SUVs are usually used as sensible family vehicles, perfect for transporting the kids to baseball games or going on summer road vacations with an abundance of luggage. However, the 2024 BMW X4 forgoes that practical purpose in favor of a chic, sloping roofline, which gives it a more aggressive look than its more boxy X3 sister. However, the X4's flamboyant appearance limits its usefulness because of the coupe-like profile, which reduces backseat headroom and baggage space. Aside from that, the X4 has all the features that make the X3 a formidable option in the cutthroat compact luxury crossover market. The base model's capable turbocharged inline-4 and all-wheel drive system comes standard, but a powerful turbocharged inline-6 makes for a more thrilling drive. BMW offers the 503 horsepower X4M, which we assess separately, for even wilder thrills. What's new for 2024? The X4 continues to be the same model year in 2024 despite the addition of keyless entry as standard last year. Engine, transmission, and performance. A 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 248 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque powers the standard BMW X4 xDrive 30i. This model reached 60 miles per hour on the racetrack in a reasonable 6.2 seconds. For those who prefer a more intense experience, the X4 M40i is a perfect choice. The 3.0-liter six-cylinder turbocharged engine in this vehicle generates a powerful 382 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque. Our track testing showed that the BMW X4 M40i accelerates to 60 miles per hour in a mere 4.2 seconds, and its engine note is as outstanding. Launch control comes as standard. An 8-speed automated transmission that powers all four wheels is standard on both trim levels. Whichever X4 you select, you'll be rewarded with an SUV that combines agile performance with a comfortable ride. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The premium cabin of the X4 is all about clean modernism. Beneath a chic floating touchscreen is the central stack, which resembles a superhero's shield. The rear legroom of the X4 is 35.5 inches, which is smaller than that of its more sensible relative, the X3, 36.4 inches. Additionally, you have to give up some cargo room when driving the X4. With all seats in position, this model's cargo capacity is only 19 cubic feet. When the rear seats are dropped, it increases to 51 cubic feet. In this regard, the X3 does significantly better, with 63 cubic feet of space when the rear seats are folded and 29 cubic feet behind the second row for your stuff. Infotainment and connectivity. A 12-speaker sound system and HD radio are standard features of the base model X4. Standard features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling seamless device-to-vehicle connections. The infotainment system includes a 12.3-inch display screen as standard equipment, and an integrated navigation system is also included. Pricing. The 2024 BMW X4 ranges in price from $55,995 to $67,395 according on the trim and options. Although the 30i's standard turbo four-cylinder has plenty of power, the M40i's outstanding turbocharged inline-6 is also a powerful engine. Because of its higher fuel efficiency, we would pick that model, and we would also add the premium package to enjoy extras like heated seats and a head-up display.